Anything else you want to say to the camera?
Yeah, I wish I was faster.
No. Red Bull. Morning. Yep, another motocross day. I'm off down to Weston Zoyland. It's like a little track, not far from where I used to live years ago and where I started riding. So going down there for a private hire. There'll be about 5 of us there. So should be a good day. Some nice jumps on there. So get some nice footage of jumps hopefully. See how we go. So it's a bit of a trek down there for me. It's 2.5 hours. So well, that's without traffic. Bloody M6. So you know what the M6 is like. Yeah, might as well call it a car park. 7725. Anyway, stop waffling on about motorways. Yep, so going down, bike's still dirty from where I went, where did I go last? VIP, but it's only minor dirt, so I didn't bother cleaning it. But I don't like not cleaning my bike, because look after the bike looks after you. So getting up early, a bit tired this morning, but still not drinking Red Bull nor Monster because they can't be bothered to sponsor me. So I'm still on Ride Nutrition. I've asked them to send me a mug so I can put it in the pot there. So basically they can, I can sponsor them a little bit, but they still haven't sent me one. So if you're listening, send me a bloody mug. Right, anyway, me and the can dog's going down. James will be there, Dan will be there, Gary, and then a couple more, hopefully. So I will see you at the track. Right, see you later. Ciao.
Was probably the best like, I've ridden. When you're coming down here, it's fucking dust. It's
joking.
Dusty. No, it's dusty. There's dust coming up.
I thought it was,
when you're going down here.
I thought it was going quick. The trouble is, I keep catching the peg on these boots.
Put some some tape round them.
Never thought of that. We'll get stuck on the tape.
No, you won't. Not use fucking duct tape.